What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. On this video, I wanted to share with you an interesting channel that we actually started. I think in July we started uploading our first video. Keeping in mind this is a shorts based channel, and on my YouTube channel I hardly ever create videos about shorts channel, but this channel that we actually started just to experiment if shorts is actually worthwhile, and pretty much I'll give you the full overview and breakdown. So if you're actually thinking about starting a shorts based channel, hopefully this video can give you clarity to actually move towards shorts or move away from shorts. Okay, so as you can see, in the last 48 hours we have actually got 4 million views. And if I refresh this page, this is just to keep it really transparent. Like, this is YouTube Studio, this is my YouTube channel, and no, I'm not managing anyone's channel. This is my own channel, and when I actually refreshed, the numbers actually dip down. Okay, because that's what it's all about. The numbers increasing, the numbers also dipping as well, right? So as you can see, in the last 48 hours, 3 million, close to like 4 million views. So in the last 90 days we have actually made about 1400 US, and the CPM, I mean the RPM on this channel is somewhere between 10 cents to 15 cents, 20 cents. Okay, so it just varies, but in the general spectrum I'd say maybe 12 to 15 cents we're actually getting every million views. But YouTube is not calculating on this view here. They're actually calculating on the content, right? So on 11 million views we have actually got that much views, and that's what actually how much we actually made, right? So $1,400. Okay, so $1,400 is not life changing because this is 90 days results I'm actually showing you. If I actually go to the last 28 days, you'll see I think about $600. So yeah, $600. And pretty much if I go to revenue, be hitting somewhere between $20, $15, and lowest day, a dollar. Because we didn't upload anything, it just dipped down, so we started uploading again. Okay, so $10, $20, then hit up to the highest there was like $80. I think $80 was our highest day so far. So another day we hit about $63. So $80 was our highest. So pretty interesting, right? So the interesting part about this shorts channel is it's costing us somewhere between $20 to $40 to actually run this channel, and compared to our long form content where we actually spending a lot of money. But with the short channel, weekly we're looking at maybe $20 to $40 per week to run this style of channel. And so if I actually do the numbers on this channel, you'll see how crazy this is, because who's actually showing, hey, I've made $1 billion, but like the cost is like a lot. So if I actually just do six, let's just start with $600. Okay, so 600 minus 2468, $80 we spend on the content creation, the team. So that's again like $500 profit, pure profit. Okay, so pretty awesome to run this short style of channel. And so you must be asking, is shorts actually worth it? And with my experience, I say definitely worth it. You don't want to be leaving shorts behind, because shorts can be very profitable. Okay, and like this channel is only got like 12,000 subscribers. Imagine if this channel is gonna be 100,000 subscribers, a million subscribers, so these numbers will also increase with that as well, right? So shorts is definitely worth it, and I say it's definitely worth it if you're just getting started with YouTube automation business model. Shorts is the way to go, because with the shorts you can get like quick hits, quick wins, and that way you can actually give you motivation to start your long form content channel as well, right? So let me know what you thought about this particular video, and if you also have any suggestion for me to create any future videos, please drop in the comment section. I'll also be leaving a link for my WhatsApp group where you can actually join, and I actually just share daily wins for all of my channels that we start, and pretty much you can also see our students results also in that chat as well, right? So I'll leave in the link in the description so you can click and connect in there, and also let me know in the comment section how your YouTube automation journey is going, and are you having success or is it not going so well? I'd love to know. And if you want to know anything else, just leave in the comment and I'll be happy to create more videos. God bless and bye for now.